Welcome to the Smart Energy series by Georgia Power. Today we'll be discussing how managing your energy usage is now easier than ever with the My Power Usage tool. This tool gives you around-the-clock access to your electricity usage, helping you track and adjust your energy consumption based on your lifestyle and your budget. Want to take control of your power usage and avoid unexpected bills? Let's walk through how to access, understand, and make the most of this tool. First, log into your Georgia Power account through the website or the mobile app. If you don't have the app, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store so you can easily access your account with the click of a button. Once you're in, you'll see your account overview page. Select the Usage tab and you'll land on the My Power Usage page. At the top, you'll see your estimated monthly usage, your usage trend compared to your last bill, your estimated total usage cost so far this billing period, and your average daily energy usage. You can track your energy use hourly, daily, or monthly to help make smart decisions about your energy use. Daily usage updates are available the next day, while hourly data typically appears within 48 hours. Stay ahead of unexpected spikes and take control of your energy usage. Here's how. Select the Alerts and Communication button. Then choose your alert preferences. Sign up for My Power Usage alerts for daily usage summaries or threshold alerts to monitor your consumption. Here's how to access on the Georgia Power app. Here's how to access on your mobile browser. The My Power Usage threshold alerts help you stay within your energy budget by notifying when you've exceeded your target usage. There are two types of alerts. With our monthly threshold notification, you get an alert when your usage exceeds your monthly target. Our daily threshold notification alerts you whenever your daily target is exceeded. Want to track your energy use daily? Sign up for daily usage summary alerts. You'll receive an email with a summary of your previous day's power usage, helping you make adjustments as needed. Need a deeper analysis of your energy trends? The export function allows you to download up to 2 years of usage data. This is perfect for tracking long-term patterns and making informed decisions about your energy use. Looking for personalized energy saving tips? With the online energy checkup, you can generate a customized energy usage report based on your actual usage. This tool helps you better understand your energy habits, find ways you can save money, and optimize your home's efficiency. Let's recap why My Power Usage is a game changer for managing your energy. You can monitor your energy use hourly, daily, and monthly with clear charts. You can also view multiple months at once to spot trends and download your usage history for a detailed analysis. You can see how high and low temperatures affect your energy use. If you're a standard residential customer not on a discount or solar program, you can get an estimate of your bill before it arrives. Make sure to stay informed with customized notifications and check your usage anytime, anywhere. With My Power Usage, you have all the tools you need to track, manage, and optimize your energy consumption. Ready to take control of your power usage? Log into your Georgia Power account today and start saving. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Catch you next time.